What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You guys know what time it is. It's time to work on the E30. So to get you guys quick and up to speed, I bought a 86 BMW 325. Pretty clean, low miles, 120k miles, which is not too bad for the year. Has an ETA motor, super clean. If you guys haven't already, go down, like the video, subscribe to the channel. It really helps me a lot. But today, we got some new wheels for old girl. So we're gonna take it out, put the new wheels on it, and then we'll see where it goes from there. We gotta fix a few other things, so let's get the process started. So these are the old wheels that were on the car. They're like 14 by 7 or whatever they were. Somebody plastic dipped them, and I don't want to deal with it taking it off, and I think E30s look better on 15s or 16s. So we went and updated to some Style 29s. Super clean. Whoever had them sitting in a backyard or something for a long time, but they're really clean. The polish on them is still good. They have the cool center caps that when you put them on, you twist it and lock it on, which is badass. They're made by BBS, which a lot of people don't know, which is pretty cool. And also, they were, I think, 5x120, and the person I bought them from filled and drilled them back to 4x100, which is already on the car, so that's perfect. I think they're going to look super good. So let's put them on and see how it goes. They should look pretty badass, so praying. Just a quick prerequisite, you gotta have the 7 Leaves coffee if you're gonna be working on your car. Bad news, guys. The fronts don't fit. So unfortunately, looks like the pad of the wheel in the face is not far enough, so it's hitting the brake caliper when I put it on. So I'm either gonna have to get a spacer, or I'm gonna have to figure something else out. I really still want to run these. I already have one on this side. I think they look sick. Obviously the car's in the air right now, so it will settle. And with lowering springs, it'll look better. Maybe I'll just get a spacer, some lowering springs, so I could fit this nice and then be able to clear the brakes. But we had a standstill, so I don't know what we can do. We're just gonna have to wait for some parts, I guess. But anyways, if we can't do that, I do have some clear tails. Thank you, Jonathan, for the E36. So maybe we'll just do that instead. But we're gonna keep trying, see if I can get this to fit or what I can do. So let's go. Alright guys, so I wasn't able to finish the video on this car because the wheels didn't fit, but I ordered some spacers for them, so as soon as the spacers come in, we're ready to go. But today I went on OfferUp and I just saw a hella deals, so I just went ham. So I'm gonna go over the parts that I bought for this car today. I got a lot of stuff, so just be kind of ready. This is gonna be the parts list of what's gonna happen to the car. So I got a KA Motors carbon fiber intake. You see the washable filter inside with all the hardware and the tubing. I got this from one person. I got a gauge cluster, an A-pillar from the same guy with 2 gauges. One is air to fuel ratio, the other one is fuel pressure, because since we're going to be doing the swap and I'm not 100% sure if we're going to do turbo on the swap or not, I want to make sure that the air fuel's right and we have enough fuel pressure. So I'm going to get those. I'm going to hook those up. I also did get an air duct, so I will be deleting one of the high beams and putting this 3D printed air duct in there. I think that look is super badass, especially when they put these like into where the turbos go. I think it's pretty badass. So we might use this, we might not use this. I'm not 100% sure yet. And then we got these headlights. I have another set of headlights too that I might use to put this on because these are super nice. They have like the projector bulb inside with the rings. This is like very anti-purist. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I might do it, I'm not 100% sure. But I think that they look pretty badass. I got two 6,000Ks. There's actually four, there's two in each, 6,000Ks for each of these. And then I got an HID conversion kit. So all this together, I got this all from one guy. And I literally just went to his house to buy the K Motors intake. I think they're like 150 bucks online. He had it for 100. I gave him 50 bucks for it. And then I don't want to disclose the rest of the pricing I got on the rest of the stuff because he gave me a super good deal. And I kind of want to respect the buyer. But I got this all from one person. And then I got these. I got these H&R race springs. Super badass. They're 2-inch drop, which is perfect because that's exactly what I need. Not too many miles on them. They're in pretty good condition. I think brand new, like 500 bucks. I ended up getting them for I paid $150, and the guy came and delivered them to me, which will be perfect because the gap right here, I have a fisheye on the camera so it looks more than it is, but like a solid 2 inches will bring the fender to the tire. I'll roll the fender, and then once I put the spacer on, it'll come literally right up, and it'll kind of give it that track look that I'm going for. And when I put the caps on everything, it's gonna be super badass. I also ordered some BBS caps, so the BBS caps are gonna make it look sick. And for when the spacers come, I got 2 bags of extended lugs, which is gonna go with that. So I literally got all this stuff under 400 bucks. That's all I'm gonna say. Under $400 for all this. These are brand new too, in the box with all the wiring and everything. Super sick. And if you guys, I didn't put this on video, but my speedometer stopped working and the gauge, a few of the gauges stopped working, and my odometer. And I don't want to be one of those guys that has the odometer not working. I just don't like when it's not working because I want to show the true miles on the car. So I went ahead and I switched. I bought some other odometer gears from Garagistic. So I'm gonna have those installed too. I have it taken apart upstairs. And then, you guys can't really see because it's kind of dark, but the e36 has a few things coming also. I have the clear tails, and then it's getting dropped off to a shop. Not gonna tell you guys what I'm doing to yet, but I'm not 100% sure. If I'm actually gonna wait. So if you guys wanna wait for the later videos, I'm gonna tell you guys what's gonna happen in that kind of later videos. But I'm gonna close this one off. Sorry I couldn't do too much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.